If you have a small backyard, you can still grow fresh fruits and vegetables at home. Today, I'll show you how to grow strawberries and tomatoes in pots, step by step. Even beginners can grow them easily. First, choose 10 small pots with drainage holes. Strawberries grow very well in containers. Fill the pots with rich garden soil mixed with compost. Now place one strawberry plant in each pot. Make sure the crown of the plant stays above the soil. Press the soil gently around the roots and water it lightly. Strawberries love sunlight. Place the pots where they get 6 to 8 hours of sun every day. Water the plants regularly, but do not overwater. After a few weeks, your plants will start producing sweet red strawberries. Fresh strawberries from your own backyard taste amazing. Tomatoes are also perfect for container gardening. Use larger pots because tomato plants need more space to grow. Fill the pot with nutrient-rich soil. Place the tomato seedling deep in the soil. Add a stick or support so the plant can grow upward. Tomatoes need full sunlight and regular watering. Make sure the soil stays moist but not soggy. In a few weeks, you'll see beautiful red tomatoes growing on the plant. Growing your own food at home is easy, healthy and very satisfying.